Everyone. Thank you, Ahwan and Think India. I think unlike the other speakers, I have very less accomplishments to talk about. So, I represent the National Payments Corporation here for the Changemaker conversation here. Uh, yeah. Sure. Is the voice clear? Sure. Thank you. I think we thought, before I share what the National Payments Corporation of India is doing, we'll look into what does it mean to be a change maker, right? So I think have few slides. It's only to possibly make a point to what NPCI has done. So it helps to build the context there. Yeah. How does change actually happen, right? Look at to the ingredients of it. There are various levels of uh, change needs to be catalyzed with. Next one. I think we've been able to distill this into 5 clear categories, right? The people who are curious, who ask questions, are the ones who can make change. They ask questions and then solve the problems creatively. Then there are risk takers. With their confidence and courage, they can solve problems. We saw Arunama ji here talk about her experience here, and I think it's a clear example of that. The people who are optimist and open-minded, they can make a change. The people who are engaging communicators, right? So I think I'll put myself in a bucket there on the lower grade there. So I think can make a change, and I think at least make an attempt to make that change. And then there are people who actually go ahead and do it. In that drive of ambition, without understanding whether it's possible, not possible, they make the change. So, thanks, yeah. I think these are 5 ingredients as possibly we imagine change to be. I think each one of us possibly would want to be associated with a change or make a change or to drive it. I think in the next few slides and I think 3 videos that we go through, I will possibly make a point of how NPCI has been able to make a change of what it has done to the Indian landscape on digital payments. Next. I think first, very strategic, I think is the partners. And I'm following an outside-in approach. We're going outside the circle, which is possibly, getting deeper into what is at the core. So it's an outside-in approach. The outermost ring is made of partners. The partners that you make, right? For an individual, it will mean the kind of company that you keep, the friends that you have, the people that you stick around with, right, will make a difference. For a corporate, yes, the partners who come along to make a difference to the cause, right? It can be a business partnership. It can be a partnership of purpose. But the partners is where the difference is made. I think there's a small video which will tell you of what the change has been because of the partnerships. Yeah. So I think clearly a display of the strength that the partners bring in. I think the banks will become a very, very strong backbone of this ecosystem. The third-party PSP players like Google, PhonePe, Paytm, all of them come together to make this change. And obviously, when you bring in such a powerful product, along with the partnerships, along with a seamless integration with banks, third-party players, what you see is, what's UPI, and I think the success goes to everyone here. I think you must be using a Google Pay, PhonePe, a Paytm, or a digital wallet, and that's the success of getting the partnerships right. I think very, very critical to this process has been hearing what consumers are saying and improvising those products constantly. I think taking back as an inspiration, at a point of time, somebody said, I think Manoj Kumar's song, which says, Zero Diya Bharat Ne, the decimal place, and today, instant mobile payments. Let me tell you, before UPI, it's the first in the world, it's a patent that India owns today. So going back again to this, I think if this song was to be re-sung again, UPI can be added to this, that again, India is teaching the world, saying how digital payments happens instantly. Going back to the next inner circle, moving beyond partners, further inwards to look at what really makes the difference. Any guesses? What really makes the difference in the change process? Anyone? Technology, sir, I think, yes, it is at the core of it, but I would say there is, I would reword this into, if you're comfortable, into soft technology. The next one. People. That's what really makes the difference. Technology, yes, I think getting that idea which will become big is critical, but who makes it happen? It's people. Without the people working for us, without the focus of those people and the urge for them to innovate something, change cannot happen at an organizational level. We are a 1,000-member team, not a very big company in that sense, but the 1,000 people, everyone has a belief to make a difference to what they're doing, right? Uh, a small video, and that will bring out some points, and we will possibly come back to key points that people make as a change. I think very critical part, the soft technology, and I think it's small 1,000-member team which makes the difference. Urge all of you, I think there's one part of our marketing message here, that we work with startups, we work with youngsters, we work with students from the IIT, IIMs. We have an accelerator program running out of Mumbai right now. I would urge all of you keen and interested to participate in it. Reach out through our website to us, reach out through the startup programs that we run, and become part of the journey. So this is a call for each one of you there. I think if you have a product idea which possibly going to solve some consumer problem, and I think if there is a payment integration there or a payment process innovation there, that's a call for each one of you to also participate in this change-making process. The last but not the least, getting really to the core of it, what really drives this people and partnerships to make this change? Any guesses for it? The last one, which is really at the heart of making change. Any guess? What really drives this change or this energy every day? What makes sure that these people who come to office every day come with an intent to make some difference? What would be that? Okay, policy, I would say, can push you towards doing something. Motivation, yes, but motivation is the end result of something. What is that? Okay. Let me possibly sum this up to come to the answer very clearly fast. It's purpose. The purpose drives people. People find great partners, and in the process, we create a change, right? I think you see how this process of having great partners, having great people, and having great purpose helps create magic. Now, some of you will wonder, I think you might be hearing about NPCI for the first time, but I think product number one, which is Aadhaar, which is used for DBT payments, saves the country 60,000 crores in a single year, right? And that's contribution of the 1,000 people working to make that happen, right? Our dependence on foreign payment systems reduce when you have your own strong backbone of payment systems. When you innovate and give it to the world, you also take the mark of Make in India beyond the boundaries of the country, right? So the more you know of it, you will realize that the change process, partners, people, and purpose can create magic very clearly. That's where I would want to rest my presentation, and I think if anyone wants to know more or has questions, I think as per the format we can have